In this part, we'll take a look at the markers option. So sometimes you need to remember a placement to add something or make certain changes, some bookmark kind of thing. So you can add markers. For example, if I am playing like this, so for example, I'll hit the play button, and if you for some reason you want to remember this spot here, you can just click on this marker symbol here, or else you can also click M button from your keyboard and you can see a marker appear here. You can just simply double click on that marker and a box pops up. You can name it something. For example, I'll just name it hello for instance, and you can also add your comment here and change color as well, for example red, and I'll click on OK. Now you can see that the marker is red, and when I just put the cursor there, it tells me my message. You can do the same thing here as well. On the empty space as well, I'll just simply click on this marker and I'll just simply double click on it. This time I'll add some message as well, something, and name as something, and I'll click on OK with a yellow color, for example. So now if I put the cursor there, it reminds me of this thing. If I want to delete these markers, I can just simply double click on this and hit delete. So that's it about the markers. Thanks a lot for watching.